Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, yet it's been another blockbuster development in the Aretha Franklin estate, which in terms is going to be a snag, like they needed anything else to come up. But now a fourth will has turned up, drafted by a law firm in 2018, and that's the year she died, but not signed by Aretha Franklin. Yes, you heard me right. Well, a typed 22-page document has emerged nearly 2 years after the three handwritten wills were discovered in Aretha's Detroit home. And it's going to cause a problem. Now, two of those were dated 2010 and the other 2014, which conflicting instructions about Franklin's wishes for her estate. Now, the latest document was filed to Oakland County Probate Court by her second youngest son, Ted White Jr. Now, according to the filing, Franklin had been working with the Dickinson Wright law firm in Troy since at least 2017 to prepare the will until she became too ill to continue to finish discussions on a few items. Now, as you know, Aretha died on August 16, 2018. Now, the new filing also includes correspondence between Franklin and the law firm in the late 2017, including what is supposed to be her handwritten notes. Yes. Now, no one is saying why they're just filing this document. No one said. I mean, if this law firm was handling it, why did they wait so long to introduce it? No one's saying. But a will was drafted. This will had been drafted from the contract, which she signed in December with this law firm, and includes several recommendations for her estate plan based on her previous discussion with them. Now, among its highlights, most of her assets were to be passed equally to her sons, and that's Edward, Ted, Keycalf. Now, a trust would be set up for the eldest son, which is Clarence Franklin, who has special needs. That's her first child. Now, Franklin's clothing and furs were to be given to her niece, Sabrina Owens, and cousin, Brenda Corbett. Now, her Mercedes would go to her baby son, Keycalf, while her Ford convertible would go to son Edward. Now, additionally, the three youngest sons were to serve as personal representatives for the estate. Ted White is her son. His petition says the will was drafted and circulated by Henry Griggs, an attorney at Dickinson Wright, who was dealing directly with Aretha. However, it does not include an affidavit from Griggs himself. Now, White is asking the court to recognize this will and draft it, and since it was the latest will with a date of 2018 on it, he says this was his mother's true final wishes. Now, his petition cites Michigan law, contending it allows a deceased person's intent to be recognized, even if the documents are defective in execution. That means even if it's not signed. Now, as you remember, the previous handwritten wills was found in Franklin home. I believe it was in the spring of 2019. Now, those wills, that's what caused the whole fight in the estate between the brothers. Now, the Oakland County judge oversees the matter, has set a trial juror to determine the will's validity, but it had been delayed since COVID-19. Now, Aretha's youngest son, Keycalf Franklin, has fought to be named personal representative for his mother's estate, saying he was designated to that role in one of the handwritten wills. Now, at least two of his older brothers, including White, has pushed back on that. Now, attorney for Clarence Franklin has argued that Keycalf Franklin has not displayed any ability or inclination to support himself and lacks the financial knowledge or ability to act as a fiduciary. Now, in short, that's saying that he hadn't even taken care of himself. Aretha was taking care of him, and he he didn't know what he doing. Okay, now a Detroit attorney, Reginald Turner, incoming president of the American Bar Association, was named the state's temporary personal representative 1 year ago this week. Now, he was appointed by Judge Jennifer Callahan after the resignation of Sabrina Owens, Aretha Franklin's niece. Now, an accounting of Franklin's holding concluded last spring calculated a total inventory of $6.7 million. And that included 3 Bloomfield Township houses, several bank accounts, and a song publishing company, along with Franklin's furs, jewelry, and other personal effects. Now, and you know that I did a video last week that the Aretha's estate, her sons have just made a deal with the IRS on the $7.8 million that she owes them. And because of that, they were able to get $50,000 between the 4 of them. But yet, that's all they have distributed. That's all her estate has gotten since her death. Yeah, and so this, it is going to set it back further, because I'm sure there's going to be arguments about this, and they have to confirm the validity of this will as well as the others. So it's going to be delayed some more. But I just wonder why, if this was drawn up by this law firm, why are they coming out now with it? Why, when they were saying that she died without a will, why didn't they come out then with it? And that's going to be kind of they're going to have to argue that as well. But and she has a bio named Genius Aretha, and it's starring Cynthia Erivo as her, and it's coming out March 21st through the 24th. It's going to be I think 8-part. This is what National Geographic is viewing, is putting out, and her family doesn't agree with this one. They are saying that it didn't represent their mother, and da 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 da. Now, the one that Jennifer Hudson, which was the MGM biopic, Respect, is scheduled to premiere in August. Now, both projects were set to release last year, but they were postponed amid the pandemic. And this is the one that the family is backing, but the other one, they're not backing it. See, it's not true. I tell you, wow. And you just, you just got to ask yourself, why didn't Aretha do a will? Her personal attorney said he had asked her many times and told her that she needed a will, and she just didn't want to do it. And Aretha had been sick with cancer for a while. She had a cancer for a while before she died, and she had time to put it together, but don't know. Well, we're going to keep that whole family, Aretha's family, in prayer, and hope that everything is settled soon and everyone can be happy with it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it's always important. Be blessed, y'all. Bye.